So will you be taking the doubts today, assignment and TWT?
दोनों शायद नहीं होंगे यार, एक होगा.
गुड आफ्टरनून
सर TWT में सिर्फ 2-3 क्वेश्चन ही आई थिंक.
So remind me, last half an hour we'll stop and we'll start taking the doubts. Or you want the complete lecture to be doubts?
Doubts.
Okay, first of all, am I clearly visible to you people?
Yes,
Yes,
it's
sir.
a bit blurred.
Sir, it's lagging.
Yes, sir.
Sir, network bandwidth is low.
मुझे भी दिख रहा है नेटवर्क बैंडविड्थ.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. अभी सेट हुआ है?
Yes, sir. Now it is clear.
Okay. Well, first of all, assignment. Let me open up assignment. 8 second.
Yes, sir.
Assignment.
Sir, you are taking doubts only today.
Yeah, your classmates wanted doubts.
Okay, sir.
Assignment doubts.
सर वो नए साइट का क्या हुआ?
हाँ?
नए साइट का क्या हो?
किसका क्या हुआ?
सर नए
नया
साइट गोपाल का कॉमन क्वेश्चन.
नया साइट पर seniors have taken the test. You people did not take on the new site.
No,
is it?
sir. They told
No,
me
sir.
not as good.
So the test ride was done. There are a few rectifications to be done. They're rectifying it. Today or tomorrow, I think it will be center of mass alignment.
Sir, and what about offline lectures?
Offline lectures थोड़ा time लगेगा यार. अभी
So vaccination के बाद ना आगे.
first of all, ये assignment देख के बोलो. This was the first assignment.
Yes,
Yes,
yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir. This was
Yes,
my question.
Assignment.
It was done, I guess.
This was done or are
Yes,
they
sir.
pending?
Done.
This
Yes,
was done.
Yes, sir.
Done, sir, done.
Done. Okay. Then which is the next? 8 second. रुको. Second assignment.
सर आपने वापस टेस्ट के लेवल को ओवर हाइप कर दिया. सर उतना डिफिकल्ट नहीं था जितना आप बोल रहे
हाँ,
थे.
sir. It was a bit
Yes,
tough.
sir.
Sir,
Sir, 2-3 questions were very
question were tough.
difficult.
Good.
The 16th one I think was tough.
Wait. Assignment 2. 1 second. Let me share the screen. Is this assignment 2?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
No. Tell me your doubts in assignment 2.
Sir,
9.
411 in
The
it.
9th.
So 423.
Sir, 9.
So 23.
23, sir.
Sir, 18 and 19.
Sir, 20.
Sir, 11.
Sir, also 12th.
एक सेकंड रुको इसमें कर देता हूं।
So will you be going in like the order of the questions like 4, 9, 11, 12? Or will you? Okay, sir.
अब कहाँ से शुरू करें? I'll have to open this. Hey, fourth is a very easy question. They're playing a trap for you people. If these both rods are of uniform density, then center of mass will fall along this line. Right? X and Y will be equal if they are of uniform density. There's only one option where X and Y are not the same. If they were of uniform density, X component of the center of mass, Y of the center of mass would have been equal. If the two rods are of uniform density, X is equal to Y. X is equal to Y only if the two rods are of uniform density. There's only one option without X equal to Y का.
सर सॉल्व नहीं किया वो डिफरेंट दिखा इसलिए वो ही मान
Right.
Sir, can you also add
Question number
21?
Question number 9 is actually a good question. Here, you people will fall for a trap. You will try to calculate each individual mass rise, which will be a blunder. Right? UA is 200 meters per second. UB is 55 meters per second. Fair enough. Right? First of all, calculate UCM, velocity of center of mass, MA into UA plus MB into UB upon MA plus MB. Now please do take the directions into consideration. I will take everything in the upward direction as positive, everything in the downward direction as negative. Remaining will be your judgment, should not be difficult thereafter. Right? Then calculate XCM, MA into XA plus MB into XB upon MA plus MB. Origin कहाँ पर ले रहे हो? On the ground, I will take this to be the origin. Anything above will be positive, anything below is negative. Can you calculate this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Acceleration of center of mass कितना होगा? -10. I don't need to calculate that. -10 meter per second. Yes or no? दिख रहा है
Yes,
बोर्ड
sir.
वाला?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now that I know this, VCM whole square is equal to UCM whole square minus 2ACM into displacement of XCM. H will be U square by 2G. This is the center of mass. This is the center of mass. This is the height to which it rises. From a particular position, which is this. Initially, it was at this particular height. From there, it rises. Do not deal with individual particles. Now, listen carefully. Some people say first particle will reach to a maximum height, second particle will reach to a maximum height, and then उन दोनों positions का center of mass calculate करने से why will I not get the answer? Because both of them simultaneously will not reach the maximum height. When one reaches the maximum height, the other hasn't reached the maximum height. आई बात समझ में?
हाँ
Yes.
सर
That is the catch in that problem.
So I have one small doubt.
बोलो.
So when you like consider the situation where that second ball has fallen onto the ground, and then that first ball is reaching its maximum height, and then if you calculate the center of mass position, that becomes greater than the answer that's given.
Could be. Could be. He is asking what is the maximum height attained by the center of mass of the particle. I mean, this will be the maximum height. Combined center of mass ka maximum height will be this. Any other situation, height of the center of mass will be lesser than this.
All right, sir.
Particle will be at a greater height. Particle, ये तो center of mass का maximum height है. This will not falter.
Sir, I used a slightly different method, but I got the right answer. Sir, I found the displacement of particle 1 and particle 2 with respect to time using S equal to ut plus half at square. So then I plugged it into the x or center of mass ka equation. I got an equation. I differentiated the equation. Then I got some value of time. I don't remember the exact value, but I got a value of time.
That's
And
okay.
then,
That's okay.
Ah, yes, sir, same.
You found out XCM.
yes, sir.
At an arbitrary time. You differentiated XCM with respect to time and equated it to 0. That means that is the maximum displacement of XCM. I am okay with it.
Sir,
Yes.
correct method, right?
Absolutely nothing wrong.
Okay, sir.
Sir, even that other projectile question was similar only, where two projectiles are fired at different angles.
Right. Can I rub the board?
यस सर
We actually did a very foolish thing today. यार. आपके बातों में आकर मैंने भी मार खाया. This week we have only one lecture. और वो एक lecture doubt lecture में convert हो गया. We'll fall behind in the syllabus. This week we have.
Sir, if you want to take an extra lecture
तो
or
एक्स्ट्रा लेक्चर आप ले
Extra
सकते हैं
lecture, we don't mind.
sir, Sunday after the test you can take it.
नहीं, this week जो भी extra lectures है they're given for your senior batches because their crash course should be over by Jan 15.
फिर होने के बाद क्रैश कोर्स मतलब क्रैश कोर्स में पूरा पोर्शन कवर होता है फिर से
पूरा पोर्शन कवर होता है. 6 घंटे की एक लेक्चर होता है. सुबह
ओह
7:30 से 1:30 तक एक ही लेक्चर होता है. We cover right from kinematics till rotation, kinematics to center of mass. एक बैच में. So this week and next week we are on the hot seat with your seniors. January 15th से your seniors will go for their college prelims. From there onwards we will be only with you people. Right. So we
Sir, उनके college prelims
यार पूरा statement तो बोलने दो. Statement भी आधे में काट दोगे. आपका बोलना जरूरी है. आपके बात सुन के आज का क्लास डिस्ट्रॉय हो गया. अभी याद आया मुझे एक ही लेक्चर है. January 1st छुट्टी है आप लोगों का. January 1st मैंने सीनियर्स का एक्स्ट्रा क्लास लगाया हुआ. So Friday, Saturday is a holiday for you, Sunday is a holiday. और आज का लेक्चर डाउट लेक्चर. अब आधा क्लास बंक मार दिया because we told it's a doubt lecture. अब इसके बाद कंटिन्यू भी नहीं कर सकते. अजीब हो गया.
था शायद सर.
नहीं रहते हैं वैसे.
सर केमिस्ट्री
सर कल हम लोग को छुट्टी है कॉलेज की, तो कल ले सकते
मेरा
हैं.
नहीं है भाई साहब.
सर तो अभी
बोल रहा
आपका
हूँ, अंग्रेजी में बोला समझ में नहीं आया. आपको हिंदी में समझाओ. आपका सीनियर्स का क्रैश कोर्स चल रहा है. 6 घंटे की एक लेक्चर है. राइट. यू आर फ्री. हद होगी. आज का लेक्चर बेवकूफी कर दिया हम लोगों ने. चलो कोई बात नहीं. जब हो ही गया अब क्या करेंगे. अब 11. In the figure, all surfaces are smooth and the two masses are allowed to move. then center of mass of the system will move downwards because there is acceleration due to gravity in the downward direction. Horizontal nahi move karega, there is no external force. 11th में there is small m and capital M. Horizontal direction there is no external force. So center of mass will move vertically downwards. COM will move vertically downwards. Right?
Yes, sir.
Or-
So ये assignment 1 का एक question ही है.
Okay. 12th is something which hereafter you should get accustomed to. How will the stick fall on a smooth surface? On a smooth surface, there is no horizontal force. So center of mass should fall vertically. So this is the way the stick will slip. This will be the velocity of center of mass. There is no horizontal force. No horizontal force. So center of mass will not have any horizontal displacement. As a result of which center of mass will move vertically downwards.
Sir, over here, if friction was there, then it would be a curved path, right?
Naturally, friction ka impulse will be taken into consideration. There is time for that.
Okay, sir.
Done.
पूरी बार मुंबई में भी ठंड लग रही है. Question number 18. 18 question क्या है? Now, 18 is a well-laid trap. They will make the problem look very good by giving you so many other things which are unnecessary in that. I'm dealing with block of mass capital M, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, इसमें दो ही information
There
needed.
is no external force on the system, right? There is no external force on the system. So what happens is, man and the block capital M, man and the block capital M. Man is 2m. If this moves by a distance of x, small m, the other block capital M, will move by a distance of x minus 2. This should be equal to 0. See, the new coordinate of this is x, the new coordinate of this is x minus 2 because small capital M will move to the other side. Find the value of x. Plant and man, their new coordinates are x from a particular origin. Coordinates of capital M will be x minus 2. Why? Because it reached the pulley. So pulley moved by a distance of x and the mass moved towards the left by a distance of 2. So the new coordinates are this. Or capital M plus 2m plus capital M should be, I took the initial center of mass to be the origin. So final center of mass will be there. I get the answer for x. Tell me how much are you getting the x to be?
0.5.
Sigma of mi xi will be 0. 18th question is a good one. It will be made to appear as though it is very complicated, but then man and the Planck, if their new coordinates are x, capital M ka new coordinate is x minus 2.
Sir, I used a slightly different method. Sir, I took the origin as the left hand side of the plank, the extreme left hand side of the plank. Then I took that distance as alpha, some variable. Then I equated original center of mass and new center of mass.
If you are taking the origin on the plank, then displacement is with respect to the plank. I am taking with respect to ground. I took a point close to the pulley, but in A. For me, origin is at rest. If you are taking on the plant, your origin is moving. I didn't. I kept the origin at rest.
Okay, sir.
Right? So my origin is placed at the center of mass, very technically. Only then my xi will be 0. Initial center of mass. I didn't calculate initial center of mass and final center of mass and equate. I took the center of mass at the combination of origin. Either way you can do, no issue.
So 19th one you can cancel.
19.
19th you can cancel. I got it.
Anybody else who has the trouble with the 19? This is there even in your booklet. I'm skipping the 19. 20th.
Sir,
20th is easy. Both blocks are shown in the arrangement are given together a horizontal velocity towards the right. ACM be the subsequent acceleration of center of mass of the system of the blocks. Then the magnitude of ACM is right. The external force in the horizontal direction acting on the system of the blocks is the force of friction between the lower block and the ground. Dhyan se suniye. He is giving you all unnecessary data, just playing with you people. This is 1 kg, this is 2 kg. इस पर external force क्या act कर रहा है? This friction, how much is this mu? 0.2 into 3g. This is 6 Newton, am I right?
Yes, sir.
So acceleration of center of mass is 6 Newton divided by 2 plus 1. 2 meter per second square. Oh. Everything else is only to confuse you people. Diverting your attention. Friction between 1 kg, 2 kg दिया है. जानबूझ के they are laying trap for you people.
सर इसमें 1 kg का सर इसमें 1 kg का लिमिटिंग फ्रिक्शन और वो सब चेक नहीं करना पड़ेगा डायरेक्टली.
क्या फर्क पड़ेगा मुझे? वो एक्सटर्नल फोर्स थोड़ी है, दोनों मिलाते that becomes an internal force. It slides, it doesn't slide, it damn don't care. Internal force जितना है, अब 1 kg slide हो रहा है या नहीं हो रहा है, इससे क्या पता चलेगा आपको? Value of friction यहाँ पता चलेगा.
हाँ
जितना
सर.
भी है मुझे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. That's an internal. (21) Man weighing 80 kg is standing on a trolley weighing 320 kg. The trolley is resting on a frictionless horizontal ring. If the man starts walking on the trolley with a speed of 1 meter per second with respect to the trolley, and after 4 seconds, the displacement related to the ground will be. Listen, what is the mass of the man? 80 kg. 80 into small v. Velocity of the man with respect to the ground in the forward direction. Right? Or what is the velocity? If I take v relative minus v, this is the velocity of the man with respect to ground, is 320 into v. Are you okay with this equation?
Yes.
Now 80 into how much relative velocity did he give you? 1 meter per second minus v is 320 into v. 80 is equal to 320 plus 80 into v. बड़ा अच्छा numbers दिया है यार. 80 divided by 400. अच्छा लगता है ऐसा division करते वक्त. This is the velocity of the trolley. After 4 second displacement relative to the ground पूछ रहा है. You know capital V. You know VR minus V. You know what is the displacement. S is equal to V is equal to anything of your displacement is velocity into time. This is the velocity with respect to ground. Vr minus V into time will be the displacement. Take the velocity with respect to ground. This is velocity of the trolley. और displacement of the trolley पूछा कि man पूछा है. And out of 4 seconds, his displacement, मतलब displacement of the man ही पूछा है. This is the displacement of the man. The relative velocity of the man with respect to ground into time is the displacement with respect to ground.
So over here, what is the sign convention that we have used?
I took man moving as positive, Planck in the opposite direction. Negative.
Okay, all right, so got it.
Taking this man, VR I took this way. This is V. So VR minus V is the velocity of the man with respect to ground. Third. Shell is fired from a cannon with a velocity of V at an angle of theta with the horizontal at the highest point. It explodes into two pieces of equal mass. One of the pieces retraces its path to the cannon. The speeds of the other piece immediately after the 3 pieces or 2 pieces. It explodes into 2 pieces. One of the pieces retraces its path back. The speeds of the plural speeds, एक ही speed होगा. Speed of the other piece immediately after the explosion. Shell is fired this way. A booklet may be higher. You are taking this to be 2m or how much? Let us take it to be 2m. Velocity u theta. At the highest point, 2m is split into m and n. This retraces its path back Boldreau. That means it should have u cos theta velocity here. What is the initial momentum? 2m into u cos theta. Right? Final momentum of this is minus of m into u cos theta. It should have the same velocity, only then it will retrace its path back. Plus this velocity I will call v final. I am conserving momentum in the horizontal direction. I am conserving momentum in the horizontal direction. Right? Small m gets cancelled out. 2u cos theta plus u cos theta is equal to v final. Final velocity of this. V final is equal to 3u cos theta. एक सेकेंड रुको. आपका टॉपिक वाइज टेस्ट कब हुआ?
So Sunday.
संडे को
सर उसमें डाउट है.
उसमें पेपर 1 पेपर 2 था क्या?
नहीं
नहीं
सर.
सर,
नहीं
It's a
सर,
take paper.
एडवांस था.
एडवांस का पेपर था.
सर आपको याद है आपने वो एक ओलंपियाड वाला क्वेश्चन कराया था क्लास में, सपोजिटली एन ओलंपियाड क्वेश्चन.
कौन सा टॉपिक याद नहीं रहता है. तो क्वेश्चन क्या है मुझे?
सर नो सर, लीव इट, इट्स इररिलेवेंट. सर आप पेपर ही देखिए.
2 मिनट रुको, ये खुलने में टाइम लगेगा. मेरा सिस्टम में व्हाट्सएप इज स्लो. ये डाउनलोड करते करते सिस्टम बिकेम स्लो. आयरॉनिकली सेलफोन का कैमरा एंड सेलफोन का मेमोरी, ऑल दिस वन प्लस के सेलफोन्स हैव 8 GB रैम्स. System is slower than the cell phone. Paper 1 8 years, 8 years. Paper 2 EMI, EMI. Magnetism equal.
So if you want, one of us can screen share the paper.
1 second. Wait. पूरा पेपर पीडीएफ ही आ जाएगा, 1 सेकंड बस। सीनियर्स के पेपर्स के साथ कंबाइन हो गया है सब। मिला।
So will COM be completed by our next TWT in which COM is also included?
कब है नेक्स्ट टॉपिक वाइज टेस्ट कब है?
So 24th.
हाँ 24 सर शायद हो जाए, कब तक हो जाएगा? 1 सेकंड। बोलो, क्वेश्चन पेपर खुला है, क्वेश्चन पेपर में डाउट्स बोलो।
Sir, ऐसे
Question
silly.
16.
हाँ
Question 16.
Yes, sir.
So question 20.
So question 15.
Sir, 14.
Sir 17.
मुझे याद है आप लोग सिर्फ 1-2 क्वेश्चंस बोल रहे थे यार।
सर सबके एक बना
हाँ
Then you are 18.
बस।
So the integer type were very good question.
सर ये टाइम इंटीजर टाइप मतलब सर बहुत सिली मिस्टेक्स
Sir, इतने silly mistakes किए ना sir. Sir,
Sir,
2 into 20 को 20 लिख के आ गया.
1 सेकंड रुको, मेरा इस सिस्टम में दिक्कत है।
सर वो एक एनर्जी कंजर्व का क्वेश्चन था सर, हाफ mv स्क्वायर था, मैं हाफ ही भूल गया सर, ऐसे मिस्टेक्स
हाफ एमबी स्क्वायर में हाफ कैसा पूछ सकते हो यार?
सर 40
सर ये कुछ नहीं है सर, वो 6 मार्क का मल्टीपल करेक्ट था, उसमें 2 into 20 को 20 लिख के आ गया, 6 मार्क गए मेरे।
टोटल
सर-
डिस्टेंस की जगह स्प्रिंग का कंप्रेशन लिख दिया, वहां 4 मार्क ऐसे ही चले गए।
सर मतलब
400 का
सारे
minus-
पेपर के मिस्टेक सिली मिस्टेक्स ही है इस बार।
तो
हाँ
माइनस
सर
400 को 400 दिया मैंने।
और आप ज्यादा बिटकॉइन लो सर हमसे जब हम लोग सिली
हाँ
डाउट्स
सर,
करते हैं, इससे हम लोग को मोटिवेशन मिलेगा।
तो शर्म आती है ऐसे डाउट्स आ रहे हैं।
सुनो, numerical integer type, they are not going the sequence there, but एक सेकंड रुको।
सर अभी पता नहीं कैसे +4 मार्क्स मिल गए, पता नहीं क्यों, कौन से क्वेश्चन के लिए।
क्वेश्चन पेपर बहुत इजी बोल रहे थे यार आप लोग।
सर पेपर इजी था, मतलब देयर वर ओनली 1 or 2 टफ क्वेश्चंस, अदरवाइज इट वाज फाइन।
16 वाला एक टफ था और दूसरे एग्जाम बाकी कोई टफ नहीं था।
सर एक रहस्य पता चला है सर पेपर पैटर्न का, एनालाइज किया हर पेपर को, एक चीज कॉमन मिल गया।
क्या है?
सर एचसीवी के अगर ऑब्जेक्टिव्स अच्छे से किए हैं
सर हर पेपर में HCV का एक ऑब्जेक्टिव रहता है।
इनका एक ऑब्जेक्टिव रहता है।
एक
Or
ऑब्जेक्टिव
necessarily there has to be one. Necessarily.
So circular motion में 50% HCV objectives थे.
There was once upon a time a batch which put up a challenge. Their challenge was very strange. ध्यान से सुन लीजिए आप. They said, you tell us the source of the paper, we will bring 100% marks in this. Right?
HCV
बहुत पुरानी कहानी है. 2008 या 9 में बैच की थी. 2004 में पहली बार मैंने ये देखा था. It was hard way learning even for me. I said, okay, we'll put up a deal this way. Whole of the class should get at least one question right, or at least one student should get all questions right. थोड़े ध्यान से सुनिए. ये डील आपको भी अप्लाई होगा. चाहिए तो आपके साथ भी ट्राई कर दूंगा. 2 बैचेस के साथ ट्राई किया है. I have won both the batches. So they are in due from 2004 onwards. Interest is accumulating. They will millions and millions of dollars. सुनो. My condition is only one thing. I'll tell you the source of the paper before in advance. आप लोग decide करो. Booklet बोलो. All questions will be given only from booklet. हाँ, मगर it's not one chapter. It was 10 chapters if I'm right. So suppose cumulative अभी 10 chapters है आपको. Units and dimensions, vectors, kinematics, circular motion, work energy theorem, Newton's laws, direction, work power energy. So conservation of momentum add करने से कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मोमेंटम तक यूनिट्स एंड डायमेंशन से आप लोग डिसाइड करके एक सोर्स बताओ. स्टैंडर्ड सोर्स. उसी से क्वेश्चंस मिलेंगे. बट माय डील, ध्यान से सुनिए, आई विल गेट 90%, 99%. एटलीस्ट वन स्टूडेंट शुड गेट ऑल क्वेश्चंस राइट इन द बैच, और ऑल स्टूडेंट शुड गेट एटलीस्ट वन क्वेश्चन राइट. हाँ, मगर दैट क्वेश्चन शुड बी द सेम क्वेश्चन. आई गॉट वन फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन राइट, he got third question right, he got sixth question right. Nahin. Select question number, one question number. Nahin. All students should get that question right. I repeat the deal. ध्यान से सुन लो. The deal is open for you people also even now. चाहिए तो next test में cumulative पूरा accumulate करके major test से पहले we will go for this deal.
चलेगा सर.
चलेगा
Sir.
NCERT.
Listen, ध्यान से सुनो. If you people win, each one of you will get 1 rupee from me. If you people lose, each one of you will write in your account $1 for me.
Rupee and $1.
आज तक कोई भी बैच इस डील में they were not successful yet. आपके लिए भी ये डील ओपन. कभी भी पूरा मैकेनिक्स बोल दो, रोटेशन के बाद ओनली HCV से क्वेश्चंस दूंगा. ओनली माय कंडीशन, फिर से रिपीट कर रहा हूं, all the students should get one particular question right. Don't tell me every student got at least one question right. That guy will get third question right, this guy will get sixth question right. One particular question of the paper, in the analysis I should be able to see that 100% students got it correct. एक ना एक कहीं ना मिल जाएगा क्लास में जो गलत करके आएगा. Vice versa. The best of the smartest of the kids, you expect him to solve all the questions. In overconfidence, they'll commit at least one mistake. Right? You want to try it? Keep me informed. Any day I am open. Once conservation of momentum is over, after this chapter, any day, कभी भी आपको मूड लगे, sir, we are open for this competition next week. I mean, all questions HCV से ही दूंगा, मुझे कोई दिक्कत.
Sir,
Without change of numbers तक change नहीं करूंगा. किसी बच्चे ने बोला यार हम मेमोराइज करके आ जाएंगे. भाई साहब, ग्रेविटेशन चैप्टर में पोटेंशियल ड्यू टू ए रिंग, ड्यू टू ए डिस्क, फील्ड ड्यू टू ए हॉलो स्फीयर, सॉलिड स्फीयर मेमोराइज करवाने में आप लोगों से मेरा जान चली जाती है. उसके लिए भी तैयार हूं. आप सारे आंसर्स मेमोराइज करके, बस एक ही कंडीशन है, HCV से कॉपी नहीं करेंगे. HCV book will not be accessible to you. Online, that is difficult. एक क्लास में मेरा सामने इन्विजिलेशन में होना है, तभी the deal is fine. आपके सामने सर एक दूसरे से
तो आप ऑफलाइन क्लास शुरू करो, हमें चलेगा।
करते हो जो मैं देख पाता हूँ, राइट। आप लोग जिस तरह फोटो लेके गूगल सर्च करते हो, आप लोग पता है मुझे, राइट।
फोन बाहर रखा।
No copying, no group discussion. Sincerely, if you people do, I am open for it anytime.
We can do a small change in that. So in one question, everybody gets it wrong. Then you win the challenge. Can we do this?
हाँ सर, ये बहुत अच्छा सिस्टम है.
हाँ,
ये
One
बहुत
question,
simple है,
everyone
sir.
gets it wrong.
1 rupees.
Now listen, I am open for it if you people, one condition, make the prize amount $10 which you will pay.
तो चलेगा।
And
ठीक है सर.
listen, all of you together will decide यार एक क्वेश्चन नंबर सब गलत करके आएंगे, नहीं डिसाइड करके नहीं करना।
हाँ सर,
अरे
वैसा नहीं
सर,
करेंगे।
यही तो सोचा था हमने।
I am open for
सब
that.
0 मार्क्स
100%
लाएंगे।
लिख के दूंगा, आप लोग उसमें भी हार जाओ। 100% अभी लिख के दूंगा। Prize money from your side will be $10 which you will pay me 5 years down the lane. Each one of you is, are you people open for it?
सर आप
सर
ऑफलाइन
सारे आंसर्स गलत करके आ गए तो
सर आपको इतना कॉन्फिडेंस ही करेगा, हम चैलेंज हारेंगे तो हम आपको पे भी करेंगे।
सारे ऑप्शंस अगर गलत लिख के आ गए आप लोग, मतलब आप सॉल्व करके गलत आंसर मार्क कर रहे हो ना यार, नहीं होगा आपसे। आर्बिट्रली आप मार्क करोगे, बाई चांस एक सही निकलेगा। Probability is very strange thing that you people are playing with. You think you can do that, you cannot. Biggest
Sir,
problem
try
with
करते हैं।
human team is, this is the concept of team event. Biggest problem is, unless you people decide all of us will mark the first answer wrong. अब पूरा डिसाइड करके करवाएंगे तो अलग बात, if all of them listen to you.
सर
Right?
सब एक ही ऑप्शन मार्क
को
कर
एक तो
देंगे
full
एक
marks
क्वेश्चन
लाने
के
के
लिए।
पीछे जाएगा।
सबका राइट है क्या, सबका रॉन्ग है क्या?
राइट ऐसा।
Overconfidence, I am open for it. ध्यान से सुन लो, I am open for it. मगर prize amount, each one of you will write $10 in my account. No, एक second, ये पेपर ढूंढने में मेरा
सर, आप हमें कितना दोगे?
started from
शिवांश देगा।
सर एक बार पेपर चालू हो गया फिर डिस्कस कर
किसी का
सकते हैं.
पैसा कोई और देगा, ये कहानियां नहीं चलेगा, right?
So but Shivansh can afford it, we can't.
Yes, sir.
Now, who is this Shivansh young man?
अरे सर, he is the
Sir,
fellow
I
who
was
had
the
sent
one
you
to
a
give you
photo.
a laptop, sir.
सर 1 लाख का लैपटॉप उसने फोटो भेजा था, याद है एक ग्रुप पे.
हाँ,
हाँ सर।
अभी आप नाम याद रखना शुरू करते
Sir,
हैं।
he is going
सब
to
US
buy
डाल देंगे
IIT
बाद में।
also.
हाँ सर, IIT का भी सीट यही खरीदने वाला है हम सब के लिए.
AIT का सीट खरीदने पे नहीं मिलता है भाई साहब।
सर 10 करोड़ देंगे एक सीट के लिए, तो फिर क्यों नहीं होगा.
वैसे चाहिए भी
वो
नहीं।
हाँ, वो फालतू का न्यूज़ है, इस पर भरोसा उस पर भरोसा मत करो, उल्लू बना रहे लोगों को। Now listen. Now one question which you people asked, I have in bits and pieces this question, but okay. 14th question, have a look at it. 14th question. Which of the following relations are always true? V is velocity, A is acceleration, E is kinetic energy, right? Now, uska E is kinetic energy. Have a look at it. See, K is kinetic energy, half mv square.
Yes, sir.
You gave this in your senior batch also in the major test. And bits and pieces of that major test is what I have given. Half m into, differentiate this, 2v dot dv by dt. Right? dv by dt will be A tangential, 2 will get cancelled, mv dot dt. Right?
सर इधर सर्कुलर है, दिया है क्या क्वेश्चन में.
See, you always true बोल रहा है, मतलब all conditions लेना है. So net I will write it as A. After 80 I will write it as A. Right? dv by dt, this is tangential acceleration which you people are supposed to know. Tangential acceleration. Rate of change of speed is tangential acceleration. Right? If this value here is v, this value, rate of change of speed is tangential acceleration.
Sir, it should be mod of 80.
Acceleration will be v dot e divided by the magnitude of v. tangential acceleration v dot a divided with the magnitude of a, magnitude of v. Now third, a is equal to dv by dt, right? Now dv is equal to integral a dt. Now if I go with this is integration is done only when the vectors are in the same direction. Mod of t1 to t2 a dt.
सर आप बी वापस समझा सकते हो?
This one,
यस सर.
mod of v when differentiated, rate of change of speed is tangential acceleration. Tangential acceleration will be v dot a divided by the magnitude of v.
Yes, sir.
So, but in the question, it hasn't been stated anywhere that this is circular motion.
अरे भाई for all conditions पूछ रहा है तो all conditions circular को apply करेगा तो it will be apply for all, which is always true पूछ रहा है. Can I rub the board?
Can you do 8th and 9th as well?
I will come to that after completing this.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Hello.
sir, in the B part, when you took rate of change of speed, shouldn't it be mod of acceleration and not acceleration vector?
Obviously, mod of v dot a the dot product of mod I.
अच्छा.
A cos theta आता है.
Now 15th May, listen. Total work done by static friction on whole of the system is always zero. Static friction may you have done this. We have done this problem, right? Only on small m, suppose I am pulling this. Only on small m is not zero. Only on capital M is not zero. Static में क्या होता है? This is friction and on capital M this is friction. Now work done by static friction on this and on this, if both move by a distance of x, work done by static friction on this is fx. Work done by static friction on this is minus fx. Sum of both will always be zero. Static friction बोल रहा है, it's not sliding. So in static friction, net work done by both of them will be zero.
Sir, आपने क्लास में बताया था एक बार ये वाला.
Right.
The same
We have done
subpart
this in
में.
the class. In the class notes, we have different values we have taken. And if I take whole of the system, work done by static friction is zero. Work done by static, but whole of the system. Whole system. If you take only one particle, it is not zero. So B will be wrong. Work done by static friction on a body is always zero, will be wrong. C will be wrong. D. Total work done by internal kinetic energy, kinetic friction, sorry. Total work done by internal kinetic friction on whole system is always negative. Have a look at it. Small m and capital M. Internal kinetic friction of this is sliding. This is Fk. This is F. Right? Once this is sliding, understand this carefully. Once this is sliding on this, some amount of work is done by friction.
Yes, sir.
Which will decrease the kinetic energy.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So work done by internal kinetic friction will be negative because it will decrease the kinetic energy.
ये वाला एग्जांपल भी किया था क्लास नोट्स में.
Vaidhi bhai, is the deal open or you people gave up?
नहीं
No, sir. Give us some
पर
time to think about it. इतना जल्दी हार नहीं मानने वाले.
Yeah, plan, think, only one condition, sincere, no copying at all.
Yes,
ऐसे ही सामने रखोगे, copy करोगे तो it doesn't
नहीं
value.
करेंगे सर, नहीं
No
करेंगे.
value.
सर आपको रफ वर्क भेज देंगे ऐसा है तो।
तो चाहिए तो जूम पे आ जाएंगे वीडियो ऑन.
हाँ सर,
हाँ
वो भी
सर
कर
वो भी
देंगे.
चलेगा।
अरे
हाँ,
नहीं, Zoom पे पता है, मैंने देखा है कैसा आंसर करते हो आप लोग. You have something
सर
in
कॉलेज
mind?
के पेपर्स भी
No.
जूम पे थे.
I can keep something like this and I can copy. No, when I turn
सर
my
आप
eye-
आपका मूवमेंट देख सकते हो।
अरे नहीं,
सर
Zoom
आपने
पर नहीं, वो लाइव ही होगा. लाइव ही
मतलब
होगा.
वैक्सीन होने के बाद आ.
हाँ,
हाँ सर चलेगा, तभी चलेगा।
सर हम आपके साथ चीटिंग नहीं करेंगे सर, हम कॉलेज वालों के साथ ये करते होंगे पर आपके साथ नहीं करेंगे।
हमारे ही नुकसान
करते होंगे वो भी पता नहीं.
ये बंदा इमोशनली बात कर रहा है. आप जितना इमोशनल करोगे, पता है मुझे. हाँ,
सर, वो भी नहीं-
सर घुमाएंगे तो भूल जाओगे, पता है.
कोई नहीं सर, आपको नहीं बोलेंगे।
सर ये
आप
रिकॉर्डिंग
बोले,
जरा
करते होंगे सुन के हमको मजा आ गया।
एक सेकंड रुको. और देन 16th क्वेश्चन. एक सेकंड रुको, मुझे 16 खोलना है. 16 the ring is falling, वही क्वेश्चन है ना.
Yes.
यस सर.
तो आसान. It was in numerical questions. Right. 16th question में
Sir, have they approximated the number answer because it was coming 5.1 something.
it's okay, we'll solve it. Not an issue. I also don't know. मुझे भी पता नहीं. ये एंगल कितना है? Given 37, right?
यस सर।
This will have a velocity of b. This was L. This I will take moving with a velocity u. And what is the mass given?
5 kg.
5 kg. Right? Work done by gravity plus work done by normal force plus work done by tension should be equal to the kinetic change and kinetic energy of the system. Work done by gravity. This mass, how much is it given?
So 2 kgs.
2 kg. 2 into 10 into. Can I call it L tan 37?
Yes sir.
Here work done will be positive while this is going up. Minus 5 into 10 into height by which it has gone up is L by cos 37 minus L. See if you are convinced by this. Mg sin 37, sorry, sin 37. Let me rewrite this. Lg, Mg sin 37 into height by which it moves up, L by cos 37 minus L. This step you should be clear with. Remaining all are zeros. Work done by tension, work done by normal force, unnecessary. It should be equal to change in kinetic energy. Only catch is this. Tell me if you are convinced or not.
Yes sir.
Yes.
And from string constraints, you will get U is equal to, this is V. V, this is 37, right? This is 37. That means this is 53. V cos 53 degree. Now you know that half mu square plus half mv square sum total will be this.
Yes.
17 is easy. But yet I will solve. I did 16. Tell me when I can have the root.
सर पता नहीं इसमें मुझे 40 आया बट डिवाइड बाय 2 करना बोल गया.
यार जस्ट इमेजिन यही गलती आप जेई में करोगे. हाफ एमवी स्क्वायर में हाफ भूल गया. जिंदगी भर याद रखो. You will tell that to your grandchildren also. Don't commit such type of mistakes. Whole of the game is pressure that you build on your mind. You set up so much target for yourself that you create pressures. Don't. Give the paper happy. Feel happy learning it. Feel happy answering. Pressure. The more pressure you mount on yourself, the more you will be committing those mistakes.
Yes, sir.
Seventeen. Let the maximum extension of the spring be X. Right? Work done by mg plus work done by the spring should be equal to the change in kinetic energy. In the maximum extension, change in kinetic energy should be 0. Technically, this should be 0 minus 0. Final kinetic energy and initial kinetic energy. Right? If the maximum elongation of the spring is x, this will be mg x by 2. M will go down by x by 2 by constraints. Are you people able to get this?
Yes, sir.
Plus r k plus half k, sorry, minus half k x square minus 0 square is equal to find x. Quite obviously, when this is plus, this should be minus, only then I'll get 0. दिमाग लगाने की जरूरत भी है. This is plus, this should be minus. You'll get 0.2 meters rather 20 centimeters. I'm seeing the answer and telling you directly. I didn't do the simplification. Smart, right?
हाँ.
18th question, an observer and a vehicle both start moving together from rest with an acceleration of 5 meters per second square and 2 meters per second square. Respectively, there is a block 2 kg block on the floor of the vehicle and mu is 0.3 between the surfaces. Find the magnitude of the work done by frictional force on the 2 kg block. Find the magnitude of work done by frictional force on the 2 kg block as observed by the running observer during first 2 seconds of the motion. Work is frame dependent. That is the catch in this. Right? First of all, will the block slide or will it be at rest?
So at rest.
Block slide or will it be at rest?
At rest, sir.
At rest.
At rest. So what is the frictional force acting on it? Ma. Mass is 2, acceleration is 2, 4 Newton should be the frictional force acting on it. So displacement relative is U relative into T plus half A relative into T square. Right? This will be 0 plus half A relative is minus 3 into T square. 2 seconds बोला है उसने. Right. So this will be 2 minus 6 meters. So work done by friction will be Fs cos 180. F is known, S is known, cos 180 should not be difficult beyond this.
Sir,
Negative plus Renee. But final answer is plus. Work done by minus of minus 180. Right.
sir, for the previous 17th question, for G, we are to take 9.8 or 10.
Was anything told in the question?
No, sir.
Then 9.8 must be taken.
Sir, so if we take 9.8, it's 19.6, no, the answer.
How much is the answer given?
20, sir.
Then we'll have to rectify that. Can you tell me question number?
17.
17, the TWT answer given is 20, but should be rectified to 19.6. 17th question, I'll make the change. Anytime.
So will we lose our marks if we have written 20?
Obviously.
Sir. Sir, ऐसे मत करो, sir. It's not. Sir, please.
Sir, 19 question.
Or because it's about solving the question. Now we all solve the question.
That was our times when every step carried marks. For your information, in much of my paper, I came till the last step and I was not very confident guy. I used to leave in the last step, assuming I'm on the wrong track. Determinants का एक क्वेश्चन लास्ट तक आया, मैंने छोड़ दिया. लास्ट एक स्टेप छोड़ दिया. ऐसा 2-3 क्वेश्चंस छोड़ा है. We were lucky because every step carried marks.
Sir, at least give both correct.
The correct answer, you get marks. Whether it is from your neighbor, whether it is from Google, whether it is from God, we don't care. Right?
Sir, actually, first I wrote 20. Then I remembered last time you said that 9.8 we have to take. That's why I again changed my answer.
It is the paper setter's mistake if nothing is told. He took 10 and did not tell you to take GS 10 is a mistake. It should be 19.6. Always remember that.
Profit हो गया sir. मैंने भी 10 ही लिया था sir, but divide by 2 लिया.
Paper setters भी वही गलती करते हैं. जल्दबाजी में they by chance forget to state in the question take GS 10. Assuming that we are not setting up the standards. So the standard line should be take GS 9.8.
Yes, sir. Sir, can you solve 19th question also? Sir, I am getting 4.30, but answer given is 4.24.
19. 1 second. A 0.5 kg block slides from a point A on a horizontal track with an initial speed of 3 meters per second towards a weightless spring of length 1 meter and having a force constant 2 Newton per meter. The part AB of the track is frictionless and the part BC has coefficient of static and kinetic friction are 0.22 and 0.20 respectively. If the distance AB and BD are 2 meters and 2.14 meters respectively, find the total distance through which the block moves before it comes to rest completely. Hey, बड़ा आसान है यार.
हाँ सर. सर मुझे पता नहीं 4.30 आया, but answer 4.24 दिया है.
2.24 शायद सही है. Now have a look at it. Work done by the spring plus work done by friction should be changed in kinetic energy. Yes or no? Work done by the spring plus work done by friction is change in kinetic energy. Work done by the spring minus half k x square minus 0 square. Right?
Yes.
Minus work done by friction कितना होगा? 0.2. Mu is given as 0.2.
Yes, sir.
0.5 into 10 into 2.14 plus x should be equal to change in kinetic energy final minus half mu. Solve करो, जल्दी करो, बोलो x to my knowledge will turn out to be 0.1. This is a question asked from your seniors MT last year.
Sir, look at question number 20, please.
एक सेकंड ये तो खत्म करने दो.
सर मैंने इसमें अप्रोक्सीमेशन ले लिया, इसलिए 4.30.
की हो जाएगी. आपने अप्रोक्सीमेशन लिया, मार्क्स आंसर चेंज कर देंगे.
Sir. Kairav to alag hai. Kairav got the answer as x is equal to 10 centimeters, but he thought we had to report the maximum compression in the string. So he wrote 10 as the answer और उसके वजह से कट गया उसका.
This is bias, human bias. I think I told you people. When you see something, you assume things which you are comfortable with. Right? I was solving a paper in Chembur long back, the thermodynamics ka paper. I saw the graph. I saw pressure on the y-axis. The shape of the graph was this. I took volume on the x-axis and I started solving. The student stopped me immediately and told me, sir, this is temperature on the x-axis. I looked back at the paper and I was shocked to see temperature was given in block bold letters. Block bold letters. And how did I see it as volume?
Because you're accustomed.
See, I am biased there. I have solved innumerable number of graphs with adiabatic curve PV. So you're at home, you're at ease, you feel comfortable. This is human bias. You have conditioned your mind to that. So this happens with 99% of people in quite a few situations. It's easier to preach, but when it comes to practice, every one of us biased to some extent. 100% I'm biased.
सर कुछ रेंज देना चाहिए सर के 4.24 से 4.25 के 4.3 सर ऐसा मतलब कैलकुलेटर भी नहीं था सर इसलिए मतलब
सब्जी मंडी समझ रखा है यार बार एक मार्क दो 2 मार्क जैसा 1 किलो सब्जी लिया 1 आलू और ज्यादा डालो नहीं मिलेगा एग्जैक्ट आंसर रिपोर्ट करो मार्क मिलेगा
तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 देख सकते हो एक सेकंड.
सर
देख रहा हूँ नेक्स्ट 28
सर उसमें डाउट नहीं है बस एक चीज है.
यार इतने लोग क्यों बोल रहे हो ये बोलो 19% जो बंदा बोला है अभी एक सेकंड रुको
सर मुझे 19 क्वेश्चन में डाउट था.
अभी 19 अभी किया ना यार अभी किया है
सर मैं बोल रहा था पर
बोलो
सर इधर वो भी पॉसिबिलिटी लेना है कि अगर ब्लॉक कभी स्प्रिंग में टच ही नहीं हुआ तो अगर बीच में ही वेलोसिटी 0 हो गया तो
हाँ वो भी ट्राई करो अगर दिस प्रॉब्लम व्हेन वी सॉल्व इफ ब्लॉक डिड नॉट टच बाय डिफॉल्ट आई वुड हैव गेट अ नेगेटिव आंसर फॉर दैट
या अच्छा हाँ सर
राइट हाँ अब 20th क्वेश्चन
Yeah, so 20 में also shouldn't you be taking GS 9.8 meters per second square?
If nothing is told, we have to.
हाँ सर मुझे ये नहीं आया लेकिन जिनको करेक्ट आया उनके मार्क्स आप काट दो सर.
हाँ सही है
सर करना पड़ता है ऐसे चीज
आग मेरे को भी नहीं आया सर काट
मगर रूट 10 इस पे दिया हुआ है किस लिए दिया है
सर हाउ आर वी सपोज्ड टू नो.
सर वो पाई रेडियन
सर वो पाई के लिए दिया है
पाई रूट
पाई गुंडू
कितना आएगा 9.8 लेने से कितना आएगा
सर कुछ कम आ जाएगा आंसर शायद से कम या ज्यादा बट इट वोंट कम एज 5 दैट्स द सर्टेन.
Sir, 5 when you take 10 exact.
Sir, and what I had done was instead of 10 centimeters I took 10 meters as the length of the string so I got 0.5. तो अभी मेरे को वैसे भी गलत मिला है तो फिर जिनको करेक्ट आया उनका भी निकलना चाहिए ना.
चेंज होगा 20th का भी
Can you solve this?
Taking G as 9.8 whatever is the new answer will be the answer. बीच में कोई 5 and 6 कुछ बोल रहे थे क्या है वो 5 या 6 क्या
सर 20 वाला सॉल्व कर सकते हो आप
20 is t cos theta is equal to see this is called a conical
8 and 9
this will be capital M this will be no this t cos theta will be equal to small mg t sin theta provides the required centripetal
So no it's on a table so there'll be normal force also. You don't need the vertical components of the tension.
then this is not required t sin theta will be m omega square small r will be this radius small and here t will be equal to capital
So doubt in the in the 18th question the answer was so sorry in the 19th question the answer of 4.25 or 4.2. So will we get marks or not?
4.24 was the answer.
Yes sir 4.24 is given.
That it is.
And what did you mark?
4.2. I wrote 4.
Why did you round up? Was instruction given to round up to the first decimal?
No sir, two decimal places.
तो फिर वो 2 decimal तक लिखने के लिए बोल रहे हैं, आप 1 decimal लिखोगे।
सर 10 US डॉलर के लिए पूछ रहे हैं।
आप लोग सबके सब after your engineering do MBA in marketing, you people will be very successful.
Thank you sir.
Thank you
Marketing
sir.
जबरदस्त करते हो आप लोग।
है ना सर? The 9th one also.
सर इसमें लिखा है कि राउंडेड ऑफ टू सेकंड डेसिमल प्लेस।
हाँ, तो फिर फर्स्ट डेसिमल कैसा करोगे?
किससे 9th क्वेश्चन पूछा?
9th क्वेश्चन, एक सेकंड देख रहा हूँ।
सर इंटीजर टाइप बहुत गंदा है सर, बहुत मार्क्स जाता है उसमें।
वो तो चल रहे थे, बड़ा आसान है, बड़ा आसान है।
पहले मल्टीपल चॉइस में
अब ये क्या लॉजिक बनता है यार? पेपर आसान है मगर मार्क्स नहीं आए, ये काहे का लॉजिक है?
सर ये कैलकुलेशंस है।
ध्यान से सुनो। Long back when I visited, one of my classmate is a brigadier in the army. When I visited one of the NDA camps, there was a quotation on one of those walls, properly framed. Never tell the world about your labor pains. Labor pains are the pains taken by a lady while giving birth to a baby. Never tell the world about your labor pains. Show them the baby.
Yes,
ultimately result counts. That too, as far as defense forces are concerned, it's like life and death. You're either alive or dead, right? So for them, showing the baby, ultimate result is utmost. So don't tell us here, मैंने पूरा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किया है, एक ही डेसिमल तक लिखा है, इल्ले आंसर, right? Don't tell the world about the labor pain. Show them the baby. Do not tell us how much you're struggling. Show us the JEE result. आई बात समझ में?
Yes
सर
sir.
बट
Yes,
मुझे
sir.
17. Can
Sir,
we do it by NLM?
What NLM?
Question 17. Can we do it by NLM?
70
कैसे पॉसिबल
है। NLM के लिए if you are taking net force to be 0, ये मैंने डिटेल एक्सप्लेन भी किया है आपको। If you are taking NLM, see net force 0 यहाँ पर होता है। Force 0 means acceleration is 0, velocity is maximum. Maximum elongation happens when velocity becomes 0. So NLM में here force is not 0, here force is maximum. वो अकाउंट पर कर सकते हो आप? अगर कर सकते हो तो कर लो, मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
नहीं सर।
एक
सर
सेकंड, 9th क्वेश्चन देख रहा हूँ, एक सेकंड रुको, आई एम सर्चिंग फॉर इट बिकॉज़ रीजन ये कहां से आ गया। Will somebody read out the 9th question for me?
The figure shows a rod of length L pivoted near an end and it is made to rotate in a horizontal plane with a constant angular
ये
speed.
थोड़ी है 9th question.
The 8th question, sorry sir. So 9th, so a particle is initially at rest, is displaced by applying a non-conservative force F in a uniform gravitational field. In the process, following physical quantities associated with the particle are measured as delta U is gravitational potential energy, delta K is kinetic energy, delta W1 is work done by the force, delta W2 work done by the gravitational force, and delta is
Okay. Wait. I think I got that. You got that. 8 seconds. This is a single choice question, right? Where
Yes.
am I switching this?
It's multiple choice.
It's multiple choice.
Some multiple correct.
8 seconds. Particle initially at rest. Okay. Displaced by applying a non-conservative force. Perfect. Multiple choice. 8 minutes. Problem is I have the unedited question paper. Anyway, there were quite a few questions which later on were deleted and the paper was sent. So that way the sequence doesn't match for me. That paper which came for proofreading, it was then I saw the paper. So this was the 5th question in that paper. 5th question, right? Okay, बोलो इसमें 9th question में work done by conservative will be how much? Minus delta U.
Yes.
Delta W2 will be minus delta U because W2 in that particular question is work done by conservative. Yes or no? Work done by the gravitational force, delta W2. Now,
Yes.
delta W1 plus delta W2 is equal to delta K. Right? Delta W1 minus of delta U is delta K. Right? If I take it to the right, delta W1 is delta KE plus delta PE. This is delta TME. और क्या चाहिए आपको? They're playing cheap tricks with you. They make the question look very complicated, but it is just very easy. आज का क्लास आप लोगों ने सब मिलकर सत्यानाश किया है. इसका पनिशमेंट आपको मिलेगा. इस वीक हमें एक ही लेक्चर है, राइट? पनिशमेंट जिस दिन दूंगा उस दिन 6 घंटे की एक लेक्चर लूंगा, याद रखना, राइट?
चलेगा
चलेगा सर.
पनिशमेंट आपके लिए होगा.
सर आपके साथ मजा आता है सर.
आएगा 5 साल के बाद जब यूएस डॉलर्स भेजोगे ना, तब ये बात होगी.
सर वो सर
हाँ सर, भेजेंगे.
सर हम बिटकॉइन भेजेंगे यूएस डॉलर्स के ऊपर.
ये आप लोगों को एक मीम भेजा था मैंने, एक न्यूज आर्टिकल.
यस सर.
यस.
एक ही बच्चा रेस्पॉन्ड किया उस पर, बाकी सब ने इग्नोर मारा. एक बच्चा रेस्पॉन्ड करेगा, बाकी सब इग्नोर मारेंगे. हाँ, फोटो देखकर श्योर सर वी विल डू इट, कुछ तो भेजो, कुछ तो एनकरेजमेंट भेजो.
सर हाँ सर, वैसे भी 50% सर मेरे है.
हाँ, और बाकी लोग कमेंट कर रहे हैं उसका हार्ट अटैक हो जाएगा इसका. इज इट क्लियर? डिड यू पीपल रीड द न्यूज आर्टिकल?
यस सर.
सबके सब पढ़ के साइलेंट बैठ गए, सब साइलेंट हो गए. उसके बाद अगले बार जब भी आप लोग कुछ डाउट पूछोगे तो वो दिखाऊंगा मैं आपको, फोटो स्टोर करके सिस्टम पर, और फोटो दिखाऊंगा जब भी परेशान कर रहे हो मुझे.
Sir, can you send today's recording?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Wish you all a happy new year in advance.
Happy
Happy
New
New
Year.
Year.
Happy New Year, sir.
God bless you all with a prosperous new year.
सर
पढ़ना ही पड़ेगा.
Sir, the next year is gonna be very
It's
tough.
going to be very important.
This next year will be the deciding factor for your life. So
Yes,
give
sir.
your best to it wholeheartedly. एक statement ध्यान से सुनिए. It may sound a bit silly for you people, that's a fact of life. This is the only year when you have a chance to work hard. न पहले न इसके बाद इतना मेहनत करने की मौका न मिले. You will not get a chance to work this hard thereafter in your life. तो आपको लगेगा who is interested to work that hard यार. Everything in life need to be tasted. इतना मेहनत आपको करने का एक ही मौका मिल रहा है. 10 hours का पढ़ाई जिंदगी में उसके बाद कभी नहीं करोगे. लिख के दूंगा मैं, PhD किया है मैंने, right?
New Year
This is the only year when you have a chance to work this hard. Put in wholehearted effort. Give yourself wholehearted. उसके बाद you will never get a chance to work this hard. So don't miss this opportunity of working hard. God
Yes,
created
sir.
life
Yes, sir.
to
It's
work.
clear.
You are aware of
sir.
Sir, crystal clear.
Man's
हाँ sir,
created-
that you are reading the DP of our group.
So good grace. See you people next year.
Yes, sir.
Bye sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.